Si Jesus, He despises hypocrisy and pride, for they block the true flow of God's mercy and love sa mga tao. Pansinin ninyo the striking contrast in how He responds. Sa babaeng nahuli sa pangangaliwa, John 8 verse 1 and 11, Jesus shows tender mercy. Hindi rin kita hinahatulan at mula ngayon ay huwag ka nang magkasala. Pero sa mga Pharisees, Matthew 23, binigay niya ang sharp, unflinching rebuke, "Woe to you, scribes and Pharisees, hypocrites!" Jesus hates what destroys mercy and love, yet He pursues every heart, humble or hardened, always inviting transformation through His grace. This is the Savior's heart, justice upheld, mercy triumphant, and redemption offered to all who will turn. Love like Jesus.